Hi everybody, it's Emily from D.I.Y. I have a short video for you guys today and I really hope you enjoy the content. If you're new here and you really like this content, please like and subscribe and share with other people. But anyways, let's get into it. So today I'm actually doing a video about faux chocolate sauce. It's not real chocolate sauce. So how it's done, it's pretty straightforward and simple, but I'm showing you how to make it, and it's honestly quite effective if you want to put it on top of a dessert of some kind, like a faux dessert or something. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, I'm basically just taking these strawberries and making them look chocolatey. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys how to do that, and on to the DIY. Okay, so I'm gonna make some chocolate sauce with a few different things here, and I'm going to grab some wax paper as well to set this on. Wax or parchment paper works out pretty well, so I've got some parchment paper here just for my work surface to like protect it. So I have some Mod Podge that's glossy. I have some burnt umber. I just have some regular like bathroom cups, and I have some jumbo craft sticks, or tongue depressors I guess they're called, or also popsicle sticks, whatever you prefer to call them. I have those as well to stir things, and I also have some of the fake strawberries that I purchased. Okay, so let's do maybe just a little under half of a cup of the Mod Podge. You want to make as much as you want basically here, and then I'm gonna do quite a bit of paint here and see how that goes. Okay, so this is the burnt umber to make it look quite chocolatey. I got the Liquitex Basics variety, and then I'm just going to stir this up like crazy. And if you need to put more in, then that's fine too. So there we go. That looks a lot, to me anyways, that looks a lot like chocolate sauce. Just try to mix it up as much as you can. Pop this aside, and then I'm just gonna dip the strawberry. You can dip as far as you want. And then figure out where you want to place it. Just place it down just like you would a regular strawberry with chocolate on it. And these stems really come in handy that are on the strawberries. They're like perfect for dipping the strawberries in this fake chocolate. But yeah, I still want a little bit of the strawberry showing, so I'm not going to go all the way down, but you can just place them on the parchment paper, wax paper, whatever you choose to use. But yeah, you can do quite a few. You can do 2 at a time if you're doing the same sort of method as me with just small little bathroom cups. I'm going to try that actually. Let's try that method. What the heck, why not? Get a few out of that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get 10. I'm gonna get 10 of them just for fun, just to see. I'll leave the rest. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then just one more. And I'll leave the rest. I like this chocolate color. It's actually a little darker, which is nice. I'm gonna do that. And then what you can do, if you'd like, you can save it in like a Ziploc bag, the rest of the chocolate here, the chocolate sauce, and then you can cut a hole in the bottom and drizzle it on something in the end, in case you're doing like a fake cake or something like that. But yeah, this keeps things kind of mess-free. You don't have to toss like a ton of this out if you're going to use some more. I'm gonna zip this up. So basically now you've got like a ton of chocolate sauce, and I just sort of wrap like a little elastic or something around it, and I'll snip it later when I actually need it. I'm actually going to put just like a little tie around it. You don't have to do this necessarily, but this is what I'm choosing to do. Just one of those twist ties. You can put elastic around it, whatever you want. But yeah, I'm just going to keep it basically like this. Sealed, so it looks kind of like I can squeeze some stuff out if I wanted to in the future on these guys, or on a cake or cupcake or something like that. But yeah, I'm basically going to just leave these to dry, probably about 24 hours, and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm just going to turn these guys over because they're still drying.
mostly dry, it's just the bottom isn't. So I'm just going to loosen them off the wax paper and just flip them over so that they dry fully before I top a cake with them. And there you go. I've got some chocolate strawberries. The bottoms are dry. I kind of left them for a few days just to be on the safe side, but they're pretty good. They're basically ready to top a cake, or like fake cake obviously, or some sort of cupcake or whatever the heck you choose to do, brownie, whatever. There's lots of stuff you can do. You can cover like a really cute jewelry box or something, put like a dollop of faux whipped cream on it, and then top it with like a chocolate covered strawberry or something if you wanted to do that. Anyways, I thought that I'd show you guys that quick sort of little tutorial in case you guys are interested in doing that sort of thing.
So yes, pretty simple as you can see how to make them, and yeah, you just like, as I showed you, take the strawberries and then just dip them in, and just like you would a regular strawberry with chocolate, only you'd heat that up, the chocolate and all that stuff. Obviously you might have like a fondue kind of thing to keep it heated if you wanted to make things a little romantic, I guess. So that's the real deal. But with these guys, this is gonna be like a permanent fixture and display, and they look pretty real, they're pretty cute, and I really like them a lot. So, but yeah, in case you guys are interested in what I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing a dress today. It's a pocketed one, and I basically got this from, I have another textile channel that I haven't really been focusing on too much, but I do have a lot of different designs and things like that. I haven't put this design up yet. I might do it for next Valentine's Day or something. I'm gonna see what I can get done if I can. But yeah, I basically have a blue one and a pink background dress, and this pattern is basically just strawberries kind of in the shape of hearts, sort of, and I think they're called hearts when you sort of cut a strawberry in half like this, because it does have like almost like a heart shape. So it's a very Valentine's-y kind of dress, but I thought it'd be perfect because obviously it's strawberries, and I was dipping some strawberries and stuff for this video, and just sort of became on theme, and it just worked out. So yeah, you could do this for any time of year too, right? It's kind of the nice thing about faux food is like you can do this stuff for anniversaries, you can do this stuff for Valentine's Day, I think, and you can even do it for Christmas if you want. I'm sure, I don't know if anyone celebrates Christmas with strawberries, probably not because it's out of season, I guess, but if you know somebody who likes strawberries, you can make them a cute little box, or you can pop like a little strawberry on top of the box. And I'm going to show you guys in a future video hopefully how to make cake, and obviously there's going to be a lot of similar methods. If you want to make a brownie, you can take like a little box or something like that and make a brownie. Maybe I'll make a video on that at some point in the future, I don't know, we'll see. But I got lots of other content hopefully coming up because Halloween's coming up, and I really want to get some of those videos out at some point so you guys can start DIYing some Halloween stuff as well. So I hope I get stuff done in time. We'll see. I think there's too many of these topping videos coming up in the future, so we will see what happens with that. But anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. It's a fairly short one, but I like this one a lot. I thought this one was a really fun one, and it was actually kind of a video I decided to do on the fly because I was just going to show you guys how to do it in the cake box video, but I was like, you know, I'm already showing you guys how to do the icing in that video, so I figured I'll do a separate video for this and then just show you all the other toppings as well. Yeah, it's a very quick one, but it's effective and it looks really good. And as you saw, you can use the chocolate sauce on its own. It doesn't have to be for strawberries or anything like that. You can totally drizzle it on something to make it look like something else. It smells like glue, I have to say, so hopefully you're not going to be tempted to eat it. It smells like glue and paint, so it's not, hopefully, again, you're hopefully not going to be tempted to eat it. I hope nobody else is tempted to eat it because I'm sure they're going to look good in the end. We'll see. Depends on how you do it, I guess. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I really hope you enjoyed that. So but yeah, if you guys like this content, please be sure to like and subscribe so that you won't miss anything. And also, if you think somebody else is going to really like this content, please do share this video with somebody else. And I'm gonna try to make all of these dessert toppings and the dessert itself. I'm gonna put them all in kind of a playlist on my YouTube channel. So if you want to send the playlist to somebody, hopefully that's going to be an easy thing to do so that they can see all the different types of things that I'm doing. Also, a nice thing about my stuff is I try to leave timestamps down below in case you didn't know. I tried to say this in some of my videos, but I don't always do it. But yeah, I leave timestamps down below in the videos, so in case you want to skip over me messing up or something like that, and you just want to see how something is done, it's an easy fix. You can easily jump around in the video, so it's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this content, and yeah, I really hope you guys have an awesome day. Take care, everybody. Okay, bye.